Orphanages. An orphan is a child whose parents have died. In Victorian England, orphans lived in orphanages where they were given a basic education. This was paid for by philanthropists, wealthy people who donated lots of money to charity. Orphanages gave orphans a home until they were 17, but the severe punishments and unhealthy food were well known. Charles Dickens famously wrote about the poor treatment of orphans in his book Oliver Twist. Workhouses. If a family couldn't pay their rent, they might be sent to a workhouse. Workhouses sheltered hundreds of people who slept in large dormitories and ate together in huge dining rooms. They did jobs like growing vegetables, sewing clothes, or doing laundry to earn their keep. Life wasn't much fun in the workhouse. The only things that were truly your own were the clothes on your back, and it was often hard to see a bright future.